Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of how to promote your business branding. So in the previous videos we have discussed how you can create a powerful resume using Canva. We also discussed some tips and tricks that you can use in Canva, and finally we discussed how you can create a free email list. Now we will discuss how you can use this resume along with this email list to send it to many recruiters so that you can land on one of your dream jobs. So this is Gmail, and if I just used this email list and send the email directly along with my CV, it will be sent to all of them. All of them will be able to see each other. They will see that I am not sending them an email directly or specifically for a specific job, but they will see that I'm spamming for to get a job, and I will get rejected in most of the cases, if not all. So I'm trying to use something that will allow me to send the email to each one of them individually without seeing the other recipients. However, I just need to send a single email. This is what GMass is going to do for me. So GMass is a Chrome extension that will help you to do this function along with other functions. So in order to start using GMass, you need to click on Add to Gmail on the bottom so that you will add the Chrome extension successfully and start working. So now it's downloading, and we are all ready to go. So now I need to just refresh this page so that the changes will be applied to my Gmail. And now you can see that there are some minor changes, like this one which exists on the top, these small icons. So this means that GMass has been downloaded successfully and applied to my Gmail. So in order to start using it, I need to click on Compose to start a new email. And now I'm going to take my email list from Email Extractor Lite as we did before. I'm going to take some of these emails, copy them, and then paste them in the recipient cell in Gmail. Now instead of clicking on send, I will click on GMass. And if I just moved my cursor on GMass, it will give you a message that GMass will allow you to send this email to each, like this one which exists on in a gray color. It will allow you to send this email to each one of these recipients individually, which means they will not see each other, which means they will think that you are only sending this email to them and you are only applying for this job. So this is gonna solve this problem and gonna overcome the problem of having to send each one of them individually or sending a single email but all of them will see each other. And this is how you can give them some attention that you are just applying for this specific job and not spamming to hundreds of jobs and not trying to apply for hundreds of jobs, which may be the main reason for your rejection. So this is pretty much how you can use GMass along with other features, like for example tracking and the auto follow up, which allows you to do a specific action after a specific time. So let's say no one responded to your email after a week, you can create a follow-up email which will be sent automatically to these recipients after a week if they did not respond. So you are free to discover all these features and use them. It's completely free and you will be able to use them. So that's it for this video, guys, and this is how you can use your resume along with your email list to land on one of your dream jobs. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to receive our content daily. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you in more tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.